doing Bandit level 3 to level 4. Level go. The password for the next level is stored in a hidden file in the inhere directory. Okay. So first things first, we want to log into the SSH server. Not the SSH server, but the OverTheWire server at port 2220. So the password I have written down on a note. We acquired this password from the last practice problem, level 2 to level 3. And here I'm just gonna paste it on here. Okay, now we're in. So I'm gonna list all the files on this level by typing in ls. So we have a directory here. I'm gonna type in cd in here to navigate to inside that directory. I'm in that directory. You can tell by this right here. If you're not too sure, you can type in pwd, and that shows the directory you're in and what path you took to get there. Okay. So as you can see, I'm gonna list all the files, and nothing's coming up. I'm gonna type it again, nothing's coming up. So to view hidden files, you could tell that the password is hidden because it stays here in the level go. That the password is stored in a hidden file. So a command we're gonna use is ls-a, and you see here comes the file. The file is here. Now we're gonna use cat dot hidden, and now you have the password. So now you successfully have completed level 3 to level 4. You can use this password to get into level 4. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns, leave them in the comment section and or shoot me an email.